A lot of companies will sell you a screen or a shade. Fewer of them will still be around in 10 years when you need something adjusted. We've been in San Diego since 2004. Nearly 50,000 homes later, we're still at the same address in Escondido. Same crew, same phone number. Here's what that actually means. We don't buy from a distributor and resell it to you. We build what we sell. We spent years installing products for other brands, learned the technology better than anyone, and eventually built our own, engineered for the way San Diego homes actually get used. Factory direct means no markup in the middle and no one else to call when something isn't right. The team that installs your product is the same team that built it, not a subcontractor who picked up the job off a board. Our own factory-trained crew, every job custom measured to a 1/16 of an inch, through 3 quality control checkpoints before it leaves the shop. And when you call us, you reach someone local who knows your project. We're a few miles from most of our San Diego customers, not in a building 3 states away. Nearly 50,000 homes, 20 years, hundreds of 5-star reviews. Come see the facility and meet the team in Escondido. We'd love to show you what we do.